Who do you think you are?
I'm Chef Gregory. What's up, Baloney Nation? Welcome back to Cooking with Gregory. Today we're going to be making honey pepper chicken. What does any of that have to do with this? Nothing. That's why it's so awesome. And this is only the second coolest thing I've seen today, because I made chicken, and that was even cooler. I'm going to show you it right now. Let's go see it. Alright, first we're going to start with our chicken. So, we're going to get some bacon. Straight from the freezer.
Wait a minute!
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I had to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Pro tip. The reason I'm using from the freezer is so that it's easier to cut. I said easier to cut! Now that we have the bacon the size that we want, we're going to break that down in a frying pan. While we break down that bacon, we're going to turn on some water for the pasta, because we're making mac and cheese. We're going to start making our sauce for the chicken. Snow. Hey, this looks like a good idea. He's going skiing. He's going skiing down there. And then he's going to fall to his death. Look at all these people stranded up here in this mountain. They're all going to die. They're dead. Hey, look, there's a kid on the toilet. What kind of place is this? I like what happened here. I didn't do it. Hey, look, they have Chef Gregory. They didn't get my facial hair right. Where are my glasses? I'm suing. Wow, stuff. Wow, so much work went into this. So look at the detail. And what? Oh! Wow, look at this castle. It took several 100,000 hours to complete. Ain't nobody got time for that. This recipe will take less than 1 hour to complete. Let's get started. Because we're making honey pepper chicken, we're going to start with honey. This is 3/4 of a cup. Then we're going to want the pepper part of the honey pepper chicken. We're doing 1 teaspoon. That's it. A little more than 1, but it's in the name. We want 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon or more. Now we're going to do 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're also going to do a splash of lemon juice. Boop, that's it. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Finally, we're going to get pineapple juice, and we're going to get it from a can of pineapple. Just want 1/4 cup of the juice. The rest of the pineapple we'll have as a side dish. I'm going to heat that up over medium heat, set it aside until we're ready to use it. You know, I thought we were free from this, but you really can't escape Disney anywhere, can you?
Jackie had this over her stove, and when she died, I asked for it, but they threw it away.
Hey, look, it's Alice in Wonderland. With P.B. Herman. What kind of place is this? What are they doing up there? Oh, look. He looks like an F.A. Yeah, it doesn't look too appetizing yet, but it's going to be really good when it's done. Anyway, speaking of appetizing, bacon! You don't have to cook it fully crispy. I'm going to, because, you know, why not? Don't forget the salt and pepper, generously. Alright, now we're going to fry the chicken, so heat that oil to 375. Alright, that bacon's looking nice and done to me. So I'm going to turn the heat off, so we're ready to use it. Alright, we're going to coat the chicken in some buttermilk.
What's buttermilk?
Well, it's milk.
With butter.
No. It's milk and some lemon juice.
So why is it called buttermilk?
I didn't name it. I just used it. Oh, God. I could say something like it's a transition. So we're going to dip these bad boys in the buttermilk and then dip them in the flour. Alright, now we're going to fry these bad boys 375 for 5 minutes each. For the macaroni, we're going to go with Cellentani. Cellentani? I don't know. Now it's time to make the mac and cheese. How many cheeses? Let's find out. First we got Asiago, Parmesan, Romano, Mozzarella. That's 4. That's enough because I can't really carry that much more. With our macaroni cooking, we're going to start making the sauce. Bacon's always a good place to start. Another nice place to start is butter. So we're going to turn on our frying pan again. We're going to let that butter break down. And then we're going to add some garlic, some heavy cream, cheeses, you'll see. Now we're going to add in some garlic, fresh or not. I won't tell if you don't. And I want 2 cups of heavy cream, not light cream. Heavy. Once it's starting to boil a little bit, we're going to add our 4 cheeses all at once. Let that cheese melt in. Now we're going to drain our noodles. Should drain your noodles at least once a week.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hold the button. That's really pathetic. I don't like that, but if you do like this, hit that like button like this and hold it down and smash the subscribe button too, right there. Now it's time to introduce mac to cheese. The fried chicken in the background wants to get in on the act with the noise, but we're not going to let it. We're going to shout it over it. So now we're going to mix up our macaroni with our cheese. Now it's time to plate up We're gonna let our mac and cheese sit on the bottom there. Then, I said we're gonna take our chicken and dunk it in the sauce. See that? It's dunked. It's dunked. Get out. Make a break for it. Another really cool thing about this place is that you have a train that you can get on and drive around in. Look, see the tracks? This is awesome. Look, look.
1 minute later.
I just found out it's winter and they don't let the train run when it's too cold.
Man, this place sucks.
Like you're cooking. I really enjoy cooking. I don't enjoy eating it. So we need the train to run so we can put someone on the tracks. Stop hate. I agree. Stop.